Alright guys, so we're back with a new video. So I recently had this message pop up on my touchscreen on my Bambulab's X1 Carbon. It's recommending to clean the LiDAR sensor. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see on our screen right here, we have micro LiDAR lens seems to be dirty. Please clean the lens. So if you click on each of these messages, they give you a corresponding QR code that you can scan with your phone, and it'll bring you to Bambulab's website to their wiki page, and it'll show you step by step how to do this. If you don't want to do that and you're watching this video, I thank you for being here. So the micro LiDAR is this sensor right here. So the system is comprised of this sensor here, and there is a calibration sticker down on the bottom here. Now here's what you're gonna need to clean the LiDAR sensor. So you don't necessarily need the canned air. I just like to blow out the bottom side of this before I go ahead and clean it, just in case there's any little strings from printing. And you're gonna need some Q-tips, a lint-free cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. You really wanna be 90% or above. What we're gonna do to start this step is we're gonna go to our settings. We're gonna go to Motion XYZ, and then we're gonna home the bed and tool head. After that process is done, you're going to want to go to your heat bed settings, and you want to lower your heat bed down all the way. And that'll give us room inside of the printer enclosure to be able to get up to the LiDAR sensor. So bring that all the way down, and then you're going to use your -Y and bring your print head all the way to the front. Now I like to take the canned air and spray up underneath where the lens is to get any globs of stuff that may be kind of stuck up there, like little strings of filament and whatnot. Now we're going to take our Q-tip and our isopropyl alcohol. We're going to dip our Q-tip into that and get it nice and wet. And then we're going to go up and we're going to hit that lens inside of here. Now if we take the front cover off, you'll be able to see a little bit better where the sensor is. It's right here. So we're just going to take our Q-tip and clean that lens that's on there, and we'll see if we get any gunk off. And it's actually not bad. So there may have been just a little piece of stringy stuff inside of there. So we'll wipe it off with the dry side of the Q-tip. We're also going to take our lint-free cloth and we'll wipe off the rest of the sensor that's sticking out here. And we'll even go into the lens itself and give it a really good scrub with this. Now you want to let this dry. It will dry pretty quick because it is isopropyl alcohol. And then once that's all dry, we simply just reconnect our front cover onto the tool head. So the other part with the LiDAR sensor is this little sticker on the right side of the build plate. Now if the sticker is damaged in any way, if there's grease on it, make sure that the sticker is intact. There's actually a little recess where the sticker is mounted into, so it's easy to replace. It doesn't just randomly go on here. They do include spares when you buy this printer in the toolkit, but we're just going to basically wipe this down because it's in good shape. We just want to make sure that this is as clean as possible. All right, now that message isn't going to clear on its own after you're done cleaning that. What you need to do is run a print, and if everything goes well with the print and it's doing its calibrations and it sees that the sensor isn't dirty anymore, it's going to clear that message out of the message center. So let's print a Benchy and see if we can get that message to go away. Right there. We'll turn off our time lapse. We'll pick a color and we'll just hit print. All right, so our Benchy is complete. Let's take a peek at it. It looks really awesome. No issues with stringing or anything. And now let's take a look at our screen and see if the message went away. All right, so let's hit OK, and no more message of a dirty LiDAR sensor. So that is all there is to cleaning it. Super simple. All right, so as you can see, it only takes a few minutes to clean this. You want to keep that printer operating properly. You want to maintain it properly, and we're going to have a bunch more maintenance videos coming out here. I'm going to show you how to do a full maintenance on the X1 Carbon as well as the A1 and possibly the H2C in the near future. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.